In this video, I'll show you how to edit form fields in Hubspot. To get started, locate your form, which is typically found under the Marketing section. From there, click on Forms. I already have my form available in my recent activity, so I'll open it from here. Once you're on the form, click on Edit Form to open the form editor. From here, you can edit the existing form fields or add new ones. In this example, we currently have first name, last name, and email fields. You can edit any field directly or add more by clicking the plus icon. Choose the field you want to add. In this case, I'll select a date field and drag it to wherever you want it placed. I'll position it next to the email field. Once added, the field will appear on the form. In some cases, it may take a moment to load, but once it's ready, you'll see it right there. You can also edit field settings or delete fields that are no longer needed. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this helped you understand how to edit form fields in Hubspot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.